Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Patience, and if you're new here, I want to say a special welcome to you, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for sticking around with me. Today I'm coming to you with another balloon tutorial, and I can't wait to show you this new creation. Alright guys, stay tuned, let us do this together. Without any waste of time, let's get to it. Okay guys, so for this tutorial we just have a mixture of balloons. So some of these balloons are from Party City and some of them are from the Dollar Tree, and this is what I have. This is all what I'm going to be using, and I'll not be adding anything to it. And I have my balloon pump, of course, because I cannot inflate all of this with my mouth. Okay, so let's get to work and get all our balloons inflated. Our Garland is ready. Let's go and hang it on. Oh, so hard to open. Okay guys, let me explain this. So you see I have some hooks that I already put in here a long time ago. So I'm not, I put my hooks here a long time ago, so I'm not going to be trying to nail it to the wall. And of course I don't advise you to nail anything to your wall. You need to get this hook, so they just pin it and stick it to the wall, okay? And then whenever I want to take it out, you can just blow it with the blow dryer, and it's going to cause that glue on it to release itself from the wall, and you can just take it out without damaging your wall. So that's what I did, and I just attached my 260. I should have used 260. I would really prefer using 260 balloons, but I didn't have it, or I cannot find it right now. I know I have it somewhere. I can't find it right now, so I just used my fishing line to tie to the balloons, and then just put it to my attach it to my hook, if that makes sense. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. You see here, I have another hook right here, so I'll just attach it to that. Okay guys, so it's beginning to come together the way I want it to look. So I'm just going to continue adding the balloons like you see me doing. I just pull the necks and then I pull the neck of the balloons that is already, the balloon that is already attached, and then I tie them together. I'll continue doing that until I finish up with the rest of the balloons that I have. Alright guys, I'll be right back. Alright, so we finished up our balloons and this is what we have. This is what we have, guys. See that? Okay, what do you think? What do you think? Okay guys, so this is what we have for today. If this video inspired you, kindly give it a thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section, and share the video. All right, if you are not a subscriber yet, what are you still waiting for? Please hit that subscribe button and join the family. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.